fly to sky. A new day, time for fun. School today, meeting friends, teachers too. Ding, 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 school bell ring, time for school.
It's time for school. And these children are going for the very first time. Let's watch as they make new friends, learn, discover, and play. Mrs. Pavan is the teacher. Mrs. Corbett and Mrs. Cook are in class too. Don't forget Mr. O'Brien, the school's head teacher.
I'm very proud of you all.
Are you ready? It's time for school. It's a very rainy day this morning. Quick, Isabella, hurry out of the rain. Freya's glad she's brought an umbrella. Even with his hood up, Bailey wants to get inside. At least Ava's got her hat. In out of the rain for carpet time with Mrs. Corbett.
It was very rainy this morning, wasn't it? Shall we find our bwrw glaw picture?
Bwrw glaw means it's raining in Welsh. Time to spot the rainy picture.
Is that one bwrw glaw? No. What about that one? That one? It must be this one. Let's have a look what Teddy Tut is wearing then. Can you tell me?
Rain hat.
It's a rain hat, isn't it?
A raincoat.
What else is Teddy Tut wearing?
Raincoat.
Wellies, Diane. Why do you have to wear wellies when it's raining, do you think?
Because there might be puddles.
And no one likes soggy socks, Scarlett. Abigail puts up the rainy picture to show today's weather.
When it's bwrw glaw, when it's raining outside, what else might you have with you?
An umbrella.
You might have an umbrella.
And a coat. You might not go outside to jump into puddles because if it's a big puddle, you might get all wet on your hair.
On your hair. Sometimes puddles are very deep, aren't they?
Yeah.
They are. Who can tell me if they know a song about the rain?
Incy Wincy Spider.
Should we do that song?
Yeah.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Excellent.
What a lovely song to sing on a rainy day. Inside, Molly, Lilia and Georgia are drawing a rainy day picture.
I need to draw a rainbow, so I need all the colours. No, yellow.
A rainbow will make the picture bright and colourful.
We are done. Now we have to draw the rain.
Yes, Molly, a rainy day picture needs raindrops.
Hey. Hey, you.
Georgia and Molly are getting in each other's way. Lilia's trying to find a bit of space too. You're lying across the rainbow, Georgia. There's plenty of paper for everyone.
You go there. You go there, I'll go there. Let's see who does the fastest drawing. Ready, Max? Get set, go! I need these. I got
got a wonderful rainy day picture, complete with raindrops and even Incy Wincy Spider herself. Rainy play needs waterproof trousers and coats. And great big puddles, which are perfect for splashing in.
Ava, look at this for you.
Here's an even bigger puddle. It's a good job they've got their wellies and waterproofs on. Everyone loves running downhill into the puddle. Oh, Scarlett, your hair'll get wet with your hood down. Oh no, all of this jumping has made Lilia's waterproof trousers fall down. Mrs. Cook to the rescue.
Ready, jump, jump. Oh, that's so wet, it's not going to work.
Trousers fixed. Time to jump into the biggest, most splashy, muddy puddle they can find.
Ready, steady, go!
Freya wants more jumping. That's all the puddles jumped in.
What fun have we had?
Time to head inside to dry off. Nice and dry, Molly, Sammy, Caitlin and Abigail are going to do a science experiment with Mrs. Pavan.
Now then, Abigail can go first. Hold the oil.
They start by pouring cooking oil into a container.
Will Molly tip it off?
We'll see now, won't we? Oh, can you see the tiny little bubbles?
Yeah. It's going up. And down, up and down.
The children are going to use different things that float and sink. Next ingredient, water. Caitlin adds drops of food colouring.
Take colour.
It's heavier than oil and water, so the bubbles of colour sink to the bottom.
Like the sweet.
Put some more in, Molly.
It's getting like the sweeties.
That's it. There you go then. Look at the bubbles falling down. Can you see them?
Oh, look! Oh.
Next, they've got some fizzy lozenges to put in.
Nothing happened.
Oh, nothing's happening.
Wait for it.
Oh, I can see some things, look.
Bubbles.
What's happening?
It's going up. There's bubbles. Ooh, they food colours. Whoa, look. What's coming up?
These fizzy bubbles are very light, so they float to the top and make everything move.
All of the bubbles are coming up. They don't look like bubbles. They look like beanstalks.
That does look like a beanstalk with all the bubbles left.
The bubbles are getting fizzy.
Now the fizzy bubbles are mixing with the food colouring. It's bubble-tastic.
It looks beautiful at the top.
These sparkly sequins float on top at first.
They look fluffy. One's dripping down.
Oh,
And then start to sink.
Oh, they're heavy. How can they be heavy? Look, it looks pretty. Look at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. What
Oh, look at that important.
What's happening to everything we've put on the top? Sink. It's sinking to the bottom. Ready, steady, and we go.
How about some more fizz to get it all moving?
Look.
Wow.
It's goldy. It's like Goldilocks.
And finally, a bit of light makes it really magical.
Look at the bubble.
Wow.
Whoa, it's turned into pink.